The images in this video are all real photographs taken by NASA's Curiosity rover. Deposited by wind as sand dunes migrated. As Curiosity waves goodbye to Murray Buttes and continues the long journey up Mount Sharp, it comes across an interesting hill named Ireson Hill. Standing at about 16 feet, this alien-looking hill provides a great view from Mars. Crossing over more sand dunes, Curiosity comes across a region known as Ogunquit Beach. The large crests present on the dunes combined with the smaller ripples are not seen anywhere on Earth, making these dunes the strangest ever studied. The determined rover now heads towards its highest point yet, a ridge known as Vera Rubin Ridge. The repeated beds on the rocks indicate progressive accumulation of sediments that now make up the lower part of Mount Sharp. Although from this distance it is not possible to know if they were formed by aqueous or wind-blown processes. Curiosity will have to get closer. As Curiosity climbs Vera Rubin Ridge, scientists determined that the structures here were formed due to wind erosion and by being more resistant to the erosion than the rocks surrounding the ridge. Some strange formations have been created. As Curiosity reaches the top of the ridge, the view is incredible. It shows the rover's journey so far from where we started in the Gale crater. In the distance is the northern rim of the Gale crater, with Mount Sharp standing at 5 kilometers high behind Curiosity. In June 2018, however, a global-scale dust storm hits Mars and damages Curiosity's fellow rover Opportunity, which is exploring a different region of Mars far away. This image shows the difference in the sky over just 3 days from Curiosity's perspective in one of the least affected regions of the dust storm. As the storm subsides, Curiosity turns to look uphill at Mount Sharp and spots a region of clay which could give more clues about how water helped to shape this area. Curiosity takes a selfie at a site known as Glen Etive. This is done using the camera on the rover's robotic arm. 57 individual images are then stitched together and the arm is digitally removed from the final image, providing a perfect view of Curiosity. As Curiosity traverses the clay-bearing unit, it comes across a site named Teal Ridge. The samples that Curiosity took in the clay-bearing unit have proved to contain the most amount of clay ever found on Mars, which signals a strong presence of water in the ancient past. At the time of making this video, Curiosity is still climbing Mount Sharp, now heading towards an area known as Western Butte. Curiosity's journey is still ongoing as of 2020, but it's not the only story of exploration on Mars. Curiosity's older sibling Opportunity stopped contacting NASA in 2018 after sending one last spooky message. The last message NASA received from Opportunity was, "My battery is low and it's getting dark." Click here to find out what happened to Opportunity on Mars and if we can still save the rover. Thanks for watching, Elder Fox. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell to keep up to date with Curiosity's journey.